Hello guys, and welcome back to another tutorial. Today's topic is how to safely access the dark web on your browser. Just follow these simple steps and be cautious. Firstly, download a VPN. Choose a reputable VPN like ExpressVPN for strong encryption and privacy. Install from the official website and connect to a server. Secondly, we need to install Tor browser. Download from the official Tor project website, which is torproject.org, and follow the installation instructions for your device. Now, configure security settings and enable add-ons like NoScript for added protection. And finally, you're ready to browse. Use trusted dark web search engines or directly enter .onion links into Tor. The most used search engine on the dark web is of course DuckDuckGo. Always prioritize your safety and privacy while exploring, and don't contact anyone from there and give them your personal information. And that's it guys, thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe.